Does anyone else have a friend that tries to make everything you say dirty? Like, you could be talking about puppies and they'll still find a way to say something freaky. Cause I was at the gym one time with my friend and I was deadlifting, but I was doing way more weight than I should have. So when I tried lifting it up, I hurt something in my back. Right when this happened, I immediately dropped the weight and grabbed my back. So my friend was like, bro, what's wrong? But this is where I messed up because I said, my back. I think I blew out my back. And instead of being like, oh my gosh, how can I help? He just starts laughing and goes, oh yeah? Did it feel good when you got your back blown out? Keep in mind, I'm literally unable to move because of how bad this hurt. But all this man could think of is to make a joke about it. I can't even judge him though because I'm like this too. It's just natural.